What is going on, YouTube? Welcome. And today we're going to be going over my results for March 2024. And the first actual trade I took on this month was the first. And it's all journaled here in my trading journal for you guys to see. And that's what we're going to be going over. All right. So the first trade I actually took was over here. You can see the 1st of March 2024. This must be in like US or Canadian format, I'm guessing, where they do the month first, then the date, then the year, where I've always gone by day, month, year. But yeah, as you can see, this is the 29th of Feb 2024. This is the 1st of March 2024. So the first trade was taken on the 1st over here, and it starts from 65, right? So if I just scroll over, you guys can see over here, it's all journaled in here, right? So the date, the time I took the trade, the session, the pair, if it was a buy or a sell, if it was what kind of strategy. I only trade breakout, so it's always breakout, break of previous high or low. The time frame used is the levels on which I get the time frame on which I get the levels from, right? So here you can see daily, 4 hour, 4 hour, daily, 4 hour. It's mainly daily and 4 hour, and the odd 5 minute popping up in there as well. Here we can see risk. If I risk full or half position, you can see on some of these I do risk half position. The pips secured, win or loss, amount of profit secured, percentage gained, and then the account balance after that, right? So this was a account that I started on the 1st of Jan. Which was actually a $10,000 account at the start of the year, right here. So you can see the first the first trade I took was on the 2nd of Jan, and you can see at that point I had some good wins, had a lot of losses. You can see here I went on a 5 losing streak, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And January was a little bit rough, right? January can tend to be a bit rough, being the start of the year, start of the yearly candles, the first month of the year, etc. So, but let's just focus on March. So for the first trade of March up until February, the account was sitting at $27,904 from 10K, right? So a total of around about 18,000 profit. So going into March, yeah, we was at 27,904. So let's see. Let's count the pips secured during March, right? So 10, blah, blah, blah. We're just going to go down here and click all of these. And you can see in the bottom right-hand side over here, it says sum, right? It calculates all this together. So it calculates the losing and winning trades. And you can see for March, a total of 98 pips secured. Let's take a look at the wins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 wins, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. 11 wins, 5 losses. All right. Let's take a look at the profit. A total of $7,940 profit for the month of March, and a total account gain of 26.58%. So we started the month off on 27,904 and ended the month of March off at $35,843 for an account growth during March of 26.58%, which is, in my opinion, in my eyes, a really good month and a really nice account gain. And as you can see, all of these trades were actually taken on gold, right? I didn't trade GJ at all this month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 total trades, all on gold. And yeah, beautiful, right? Beautiful. Compared to other months, if we go over to the statistical analysis, we can see right here that I've had 45 wins and 29 losses on gold so far this year. So this is looking at the whole year. and my win rate is 60.81%. My total account gain since the start of the year on that 10K is 150.66% since January, right? We are 3 months in and I've gained 50.66% on my account for a total of 314 pips profit secured. And then it goes into detail about the entry types and breakout, etc. And then we can see total trades taken in January 36, in February 23, in March 16. So this could just be due to the high volume during the start of the year, of course. You know, new year starting, markets reopening after Christmas, New Year. You know, kind of people going back to work, banks getting into the swing of things, you know, the first quarter. So it started off for me with a bang, right? January was crazy. I had a 49% win rate for January. And even though I had a 49% win rate, let's have a look for Jan from here. My profit for Jan was 6K, right? So, I mean, you know, it was decent. I actually got it up to 19,000 peak, right, during January. And then I had these 4 losses in a row and ended up back down at the end of Jan on 16K, right? So you can see ebbs and it flows, right? Here, you know, got up to 17K, right? Back down to 12K, 11K, 12K, 11K, then up to 15K, 16K, then up to 17K again, 17K, 18K, 19K for a peak, and then all the way back down to 15K and then finishing at 16K, right? So Jan, you know, even though I had a 49% win rate for Jan, which is below half, I still managed to profit over 6,000 for January, right? February, 23 trades, 74%. If we have a look at Feb, it would be from 41 to 65. So for Feb, let's have a look. We was at 16 and ended on 28. So Feb was better. Feb was around about 12K ish, around just over 12K profit for Feb. Really nice. And then March, yeah, like I said, was around about 8K, right? So decent, absolutely decent. In this, you know, 3 months, the account has grew 25K. So if we split that average of a monthly, it's about just over 8K a month, right? Which is a decent salary, right? If you guys out there know, like, you know, 8K a month is a pretty good salary. If you're talking about yearly, you're like, you know, about 100K a year, right? Salary, which is a good salary. Like most people would be happy in a 9-to-5 job making 100K a year, right? That's most people's goals, to get a job which makes them 100K or more a year. So let's see how the rest of the year pans out, but that's quarter 1 done, right? Quarter 1 is done. We are now into quarter 2. Let's see how April goes. Yeah, really happy with how things have panned out so far for the year. And yeah, if you guys are interested in learning this skill set that I have used to create these results, hit the link in the description below. Come and join the XAU Elite Academy. I'll teach you everything you need to know. There's also the signals option as well. If you haven't got time to learn, join the signals channel. And these are the kind of results that you can potentially expect, right? Past performance doesn't always represent future performance, but you know, you can see it's all right here for you. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. If you like this content, if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment. It would help us out massively. I also do go live Monday to Friday on YouTube with New York session analysis and trade ideas. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you.